Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome grade 2 in your maths class for third term's 5th week. So objective of the day is perimeter. Learning outcome, we will be able to use the formula and find the perimeter. Okay students, now perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around the outside of a shape. Now how to find perimeter? We use a ruler to measure length of the sides of a small shape. The perimeter is determined by adding the lengths of the sides, edges of the shape. Now see students, if you are having a 2D shape and you have to measure the perimeter, find the perimeter, what you have to do, you have to measure all the sides and then you have to add all the sides. Then you can easily find the perimeter. Here are the examples of adding the lengths of the sides. You can see the first picture. A rectangle is there, 4 centimeter, then 8 centimeter, then 4 centimeter, and then 8 centimeter. Now how we can get the perimeter? If we add all these measurements like 4 plus 8 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 24 centimeter. Now this is our perimeter. In the next shape, if we add the lengths 4 plus 8 plus 6 is equal to 18 centimeter, mean the perimeter of this shape is 18 centimeter. Now in the next example, you can see that the measurements are there. If you add all the measurements, you can find the perimeter. So another example students of a triangle. What is the perimeter of a triangle? 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter. Now if you add all these measurements together, 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. You can find the perimeter. So the perimeter of this triangle is 30 centimeter. Students, now there is a video. Observe the video carefully so you can understand the perimeter very nicely.
Parameter. Suppose you are making a beautiful birthday greeting and you want to make its border. Then, how much lace you require to make its border? Let me help you calculate. You require lace equal to the length of the border of the card. See the figure. In order to calculate boundary, you need to add the lengths of all sides of a closed figure. So, adding all sides, we get 20 centimeters. Here, 20 centimeters is the parameter of your card. Let's take another example. Can you find the parameter of this square? Of side 5 centimeters? Look at the figure. We will add the lengths of all sides of this square. So we get parameter of this square is 20 centimeters. Good. Let's take one more example. Can you find the parameter of this triangle? Let's add the lengths of all sides. Yes, you get 11 centimeters. So parameter of this triangle is 11 centimeters. Good. So, what have we learned? We have learned parameter is the length of boundary of a closed figure. And we calculate it by adding the lengths of all sides of a closed figure. Now,
Hope you enjoyed the video. Now here is a worksheet. To find the perimeter of a rectangle, simply work out the distance all the way around the outside of the rectangle. The perimeter of the rectangle below is 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 16 centimeter. Now you can see the shape is there and the lengths are there written, and now like this you have to work out and find the perimeter of the following rectangles. 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Now the perimeter is written there, all the lengths are there, like 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 14 centimeter or 12 centimeter. Now here only you have to circle or tick the correct option. The same in the question number 2. 3, you can see the perimeter is written there, 7, then 3, then 7 and then 3. Now you have to choose the correct option. In number 4 also, just choose the correct perimeter. Okay students, another objective of the day is direction. Now learning outcome, we will be able to identify the places using directions north, south, east and west. And students, now first here is a video. Observe the video carefully. I hope you enjoy the video and you can understand the directions very easily by observing the video.
Stand in two equal rows in the classroom facing each other. Now tell the girl or boy standing in front of you the answers to the following questions. Number 1. On which side of you is the blackboard? Number 2. On which side of you is the main door of the classroom? Number 3. On which side of you is the teacher's table? Your answers and the answers of the girl or boy in front of you are different, aren't they? Why is it so? Well, let me tell you. If the blackboard is to your right, it will be on the left of the girl or boy standing in front of you. If the blackboard is behind you, it will be in the front of the girl or boy facing you. In the same way, your answers about the main door and the teacher's table will also be different from those of the girl or boy facing you. It is difficult to make out the location of an object based on answers like on the right, on the left, in front of, and behind. Therefore, in order to tell exactly where an object is located, we use directions. Try this. Now we will use directions to find the answers to the same questions. With your teacher's help, write the names of the 4 main directions on the walls of your classroom. Now, stand facing each other again. Tell each other the direction in which the blackboard, main door, and teacher's table are located. Now use your answers and the answers of the girl or boy facing you will be the same. Directions can be used to tell exactly where an object is located. Let us learn how to find the directions. The 4 main directions are east, west, north, and south. How do we find them? Well, let me help you in that. The direction in which the sun rises is the east. The direction in which the sun sets is the west. East and west are opposite to each other. If we stand facing east, the west is behind us. At the same time, the north is to our left and the south is to our right. Now try this activity in the open at sunrise. It will help you to understand directions better. Frame this. A large frame is given below. Your house is at the center of the frame. The frame has a yellow strip on each of its four sides for writing the directions. On which side of your house does the sun rise? That side is the east. In the yellow strip on the side of the house where the sun rises, write east. In the strip on the side opposite to the east, write west. North and south will be written in the remaining two strips.
So students, hope you enjoyed the video. Now direction. Direction tells us where the place is or where the object is exactly located. There are four main directions. They are north, south, east and west. You can see the compass: north, south, east and west. So students, keep it in your mind that two sets of directions are opposite to each other. The west is opposite to east and the south is opposite to north. The sun rises from the east every morning and the sun sets in the west every evening. You can see the picture. East and west, they are totally opposite to each other. From the east, sun rises and in the west, sun sets. Here also you can see north opposite south, east opposite west. Okay, now we can find direction with compass. Maybe you saw this picture before. This compass we use to find out the directions. The four main directions we can find out with the help of compass and map. Can you see? Now students, if you are traveling to another countries, if you want to see the cities but you don't know exact the location where the cities are located, you can take help from the compass, and with the help of map you can find out where the city is or where the exact area where you want to go. Okay, my dear students, have you ever observed your father while going to Dubai or Sharjah using GPS on his mobile to find the location? Now, if you want to go to Wild Wadi, but you don't know where the location is and your father also don't know. So most of the time, we are using mobiles, GPS on our mobiles to find the exact location. Maybe you saw this on your father's mobile while traveling with him. So GPS can also be used to find the directions. Now see, maybe you observe this also in your father's mobile. Now not only outside the city, in the city if you want to go here and there and you don't know. Now for example, if you want to go Emirates Palace but you don't know exactly where the location is, your Baba don't know where is Emirates Palace. If he switched on the mobile and GPS, so with the help of the GPS on the mobile, he can easily find out that where the Emirates Palace is. Student, now worksheet is here. You can see the map and circle the correct option. Observe the map. Keywords are there. Where is the camping trailer, tent, cabin, campfire, rowboat, land, water. Now circle the correct option. The rowboats are to east or north of the campfire. Now just think and circle the correct option. But remember that the two sets of directions are opposite to each other. Okay? Now then the camping trailer are northwest of the tents. Now here also choose the correct option. So like this you have to solve this worksheet. Circle the correct options. Fill-ups are here. You have to choose the correct option. There are 4 or 3 main directions. Now how many directions are there? Just think and circle. So like this you have to solve this worksheet. Students, hope you enjoyed the videos. Hope you enjoy the worksheets. Happy Ramadan. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.